The Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness, commonly known as BWCAW or BWCA, is a 1,090,000 acre or 4,400 kilometers squared wilderness area within the Superior National Forest. The BWCA is located on the northeastern part of Minnesota and is about 4 hours from Augsburg. Nearly 20% of the BWCA's total area is water. Within the borders of the BWCA, there are over 1,100 lakes and hundreds of miles of rivers and streams. The remaining 80% of the BWCA is composed of forest. The BWCA contains the largest remaining area of uncut forest in the eastern portion of the United States. While there were a series of actions which led to the creation of the Boundary Waters, the area was formally established in 1978. The Boundary Waters is a popular destination for canoeing, hiking, and fishing, and is one of the most visited wildernesses in the United States. The lakes of the Boundary Waters are located in depressions that were formed by the erosion of the Canadian Shield. In the past 2 million years, large sheets of ice have repeatedly scoured the landscape. The last glacial period ended with the retreat of the Laurentide ice sheet from the Boundary Waters about 17,000 years ago. The resulting depressions in the landscape that were later filled with water became the lakes of today. There are numerous kinds of Precambrian bedrock present in the Boundary Waters. Some include granite, basalt, greenstone, gneiss, as well as some metamorphic rocks derived from volcanic and sedimentary rocks. Greenstone of the Superior Craton, located near Ely, Minnesota, is up to 2.7 billion years old. Igneous rocks of the Duluth Complex make up the bedrock of the eastern Boundary Waters. While it is unknown exactly what climate change means for the BWCA, some scientists have made predictions. Research published by the Minnesota Climate and Health Program in August 2018 for the Northeast region of Minnesota found that across the Midwest and here in Minnesota, we are experiencing an increase in warmer, wetter conditions as well as an increase in extreme weather events. Experts expect these conditions to continue well into the future. By mid-century, the Boundary Waters can expect much warmer winters, more severe summer heat waves, a higher frequency of very heavy rain events, and a higher frequency of late growing season drought conditions. This has led some scientists to believe the Boundary Waters landscape to change drastically in years to come. Some of these scientists believe if climate change continues on its course, the BWCA will look more like a savanna or a wetland. As a 2016 research found, winter temperatures and overnight lows are seeing the greatest amount of change. The winter has been warming at a rate that is 10 times faster than summer, 1 degree Fahrenheit per decade compared to 1/10 of a degree for summer. Towns adjacent to the BWCA, such as Ely and Grand Marais, specialize in providing services to outdoor recreationists and tourists. These BWCA gateway communities have evolved with Boundary Waters tourism and now see a large portion of the regional economic activity dependent on expenditures from outdoor recreationists. In summer of 2016, the first scientific quantification of Boundary Waters Wilderness regional economic impact found that out-of-region Boundary Waters Wilderness visitor spending in summer 2016 created nearly 1,000 full and part-time jobs in St. Louis Lake and Cook counties in northern Minnesota. These visitors spent nearly $57 million in the 3 counties surrounding the BWCAW, generating $77 million in economic output. Lastly, the study found that outdoor recreation is an export industry for northeastern Minnesota, providing for stable employment and sustainable jobs year after year. A study led by Harvard in 2018 projected similar findings in conjunction with proposed sulfide ore copper mining near the BWCA. The study concluded that economic growth would be greater if a 20-year mining ban is put into place.